See you next week.
Still very quiet.
I guess it should be better now. Can you?
Yeah, it's much better.
Okay. So after our first meeting, and Kevin will record this video. This is
Dujun,
our agenda.
can you be a little loud? It is not audible.
Okay. Better now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is,
That's much better.
Yeah. Welcome to our first KubeEdge community meeting. And this is the agenda of the meeting. I think I have shared this agenda to you all yesterday. Firstly, let's self-introduction of our community members. For me, my name is Du Jun, and I'm one of the maintainers of KubeEdge. And I will be very happy if you guys can help to solve some issues in the community and contribute to the KubeEdge project. Can other maintenance self-introduce Kevin?
Hi everyone, I'm Kevin Wang from Huawei. I'm also currently leading multiple open source team in Huawei, and I'm also a maintainer of KubeEdge.
And Cindy, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here. Hey, this is Cindy Xing. I'm a maintainer of KubeEdge, original contributor to this KubeEdge architecture. My role now not only on the open source edge computing, I'm also leading the edge computing innovation for Huawei public cloud. So welcome you all to join this project. Look forward to collaborate with you more. Yeah.
Is Zhangqi there? Zhangqi?
I think he's not able to join this time. Let's go ahead.
Okay. Sid, are you there?
Yeah. Hey, hi guys. I'm Siddharth. I work with Huawei India team. I am also one of the maintainers of KubeEdge. Nice to have you all in the community meeting.
So Rohit.
Yeah, hi, this is Rohit from PAS India team. I also work on the KubeEdge project and very excited to be a part of this first meeting. Welcome you all.
Yeah, okay. For all the maintainers, you can find this find their information in the maintainer files of the project, and you can please feel free to contact us if you have any issues. Later, I would like to give a very brief introduction to this project and its roadmap and communication channels and website. KubeEdge is a very young project, open sourced in November 2018, and it's now a CNCF sandbox project. It's the first project in edge computing areas in the CNCF. And currently we have more than 40 contributors, and half of them are from with me, we have a very brief architecture introduction. and our roadmap. We have released two minor releases, one 0.1 and 0.2. In 0.1, we have the Edge core support, which Edge core is a lightweight runtime agent running in the Edge node. In 0.2, we have open source the cloud part of the project. In this way, people can manage their Edge nodes and devices in the cloud without any bundle issues. And for 0.3, this is a release we are working on. And hopefully we will release it on the next month before KubeCon Europe. In 0.3, we will have the device CRD API and management framework, and some performance test, and more user-friendly installer to install KubeEdge and the CRI support. And for our first informal release, we will have this feature support. You guys can have a deeper look if you are interested. If you have interest. In our README, there are also some very detailed steps for installing the KubeEdge. Okay. Of course, we should simplify these steps by our new installer tool. We are developing the installer. Yeah. Yeah, these are for installation and running. And we should have our regular community meeting every 2 weeks. The time should be the 11 a.m. in Beijing time. Of course, if we can adjust the meeting time if you guys want to change. It's an open question. And we will have the meeting notes and agenda in the Google Doc. And before the meeting, we will add the agenda and to this document. And you can also edit the document to add your agenda if you want to discuss with the community guys. The meeting will be held every 2 weeks. And there should be also meeting recordings. For example, after this meeting, we will upload this recording to the YouTube. And this is also Zoom meeting link. Yeah. For contacting our maintainers, you can either post an email in the mailing list or directly join the Slack to discuss with us. Okay, this is for the project, and for some new contributors, you may want to see some design and some detailed source code level explanation for this project. So we should have the very detailed module explanation in the docs folder. In the modules directory, we have all the modules explanation for the project. For example, Color Hub, yeah, we have the module explanation, and the Edge controller, yeah, Edge controller, yeah, it's very detailed and should be source code level. Yeah. For any important features, we will do the design before doing development. So proposals folders should be the place for design document. They are device CRD, Edge mesh, and admin, map design, and so on. Yeah. Lastly, I would like to show you our KubeEdge website. Our KubeEdge website is the KubeEdge.io. KubeEdge.io. Yeah. You can easily find them in the Google. Just type of KubeEdge, then you will find the website. We both support the English and Chinese version of the website. You may find some interesting blogs and talks. Yeah, this is a talk from KubeCon presented by Cindy. Yeah, and we also have a Twitter account. Yeah, this is our Twitter account. Yeah, I think this is a very basic introduction to this project. I sincerely welcome you to your contribute to this project, and we are very open community. Yeah, thanks.
Any questions so far?
I saw quite some questions on the chat. So I have a proposal. Why not we have the external team members to self-introduce yourself as well?
Yeah.
So we can know you.
Yeah. So
who like to be the first one?
Yeah. Maybe Rui Jing and someone. Okay.
Yeah, I think there should be more than five external attenders.
Okay, hi, I'm Xuan from China Mobile. Region is near me, yeah, because we are attending the same meeting, so we are in the same room now. Okay, so I'm happy to attend this KubeEdge community meeting, and this is the first time. I'm happy with this new project, especially in the CNCF. Currently now, I'm working with ARM and Intel's company to do some research in Edge. So I hopefully we can collaborate with us in future, and I will arrange another people to attend our weekly and bi-weekly meeting and to follow the community. Thanks.
Hi, thanks. Sure.
So any others?
Hello.
Hey.
Hello.
This is Dave Chen. I work for China, and from this time on, I will have a regular time on this project. Yeah. I'm happy to working on this project, and hoping I have a chance to talk with you face to face, maybe sometime in the future. Thank you.
Thank you. Hi, China. I saw your I have saw your PRs. In the,
yeah. I just want to set up a demo cluster based on the README from the GitHub. I think so far it's working. Yeah, I work with my peers. Bing Lu. Yeah, we are. Well, also he's also from China. Yeah.
Yeah, great.
So thank you for review.
Okay, no problem. And Zhang Hua, do you want to introduce yourself? I think there are some guys from CASI Cloud. Okay. Okay. So shall we go to our next item? Sid and Rohit will show a list of issues that our community members could start on.
Did you want to go ahead?
Yeah. So
Can I share my screen?
Yeah. Do you? Yeah. Do you want to share your screen? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Yeah. Is my screen visible?
Yeah. Yes. I can see your screen.
Yeah. Yeah. So we have tagged some of our issues with good first issues and help wanted labels. So you can sort the issues from labels over here. So good first issue. Okay, so we have a lot of issues like some are related to adding test cases, some are related to fixing a small bug, some are related to documentation, and some are related to like defining guidelines for a project, like what should be the API version, and some are related to code refactoring, like having proper structure of the code. So these I feel are good issues to get started with, and also we are open to any other issues. If you find or any other proposal or feature you want to propose, we are open to all types of contributions in KubeEdge. And Naveen has a good opportunity for all those who want to contribute. So Naveen.
You can show the web page, Siddharth, like KubeEdge.io.
Okay.
Hey guys, welcome you all. Like one good thing is that shortly we are going to have some based on the contributions which you do in various areas. So you can qualify to win 3 tickets to Shanghai. Like one, we will in different categories. One person we will pick based on his contributions. So the exact details and all we will publish on 20th April. So you can keep watching our blogs. Siddharth, can you click on that banner? So here we will publish a blog on 20th April, which will have the complete details in different categories, maybe towards the code issue or blogging and branding related things. If you support us in promotions and contribute to the KubeEdge, so you will get the chance to be lucky to win the KubeCon Shanghai Pass. So please keep visiting our blog website. Yeah, that's what I want to say.
Thanks, Naveen.
Yeah. I wanted to implement some key words. Naveen, as Naveen mentioned, we have some free tickets for the community guys. Any contributions, including code, document, and user cases or user stories on using KubeEdge, and yeah, they will be a chance to get the free ticket for KubeCon Shanghai. Yes, this is all free. Yeah.
Thanks, Julian. Yeah. I'll stop sharing my screen.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, our next agenda is from Kevin. Kevin will show some KubeCon Europe event introduction. So Kevin, will you share your screen?
Well, actually, I don't have anything to share on the screen, so I will just give a very brief update to the KubeCon Europe, Barcelona. So since KubeEdge is still a very young project, we are not sponsoring the conference individually. So we will for the demo show we will use the Huawei booth to show. So welcome everybody. If anyone is going to KubeCon Barcelona, come to Huawei booth to reach out us. And we will also have the maintainers session, which is later listed on the schedule. We have KubeEdge introduction session and the deep dive session, and we will also have a session inside the Kubernetes IoT Edge working group session. Cindy will give some updates about KubeEdge there. Besides, we are having a face-to-face meetup at day 2. So we will send out the information in the mailing list later on. So far, that's all information I have. Anyone are interested to meet there? Please let me know.
I will go there. Then we can meet there.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. So see you in Barcelona.
Yeah.
Great.
Okay.
I think just to add, for KubeCon Shanghai, we're gonna have a maintainer session too, right, Kevin?
Yes.
I think people in China can definitely come and listen. Yeah, get to more detail, and we can face-to-face meet.
Oh yeah. By the way, we are also planning to host a dedicated meetup in China in Shanghai in May for edge computing. It's actually the Cloud Native Days China meetups that Huawei and CNCF are organizing during past months. So this time in the May, we will host we'll have all the sessions relevant to edge computing. Currently, there are still speaking slots available. So anyone interested in giving a talk, please let me know. Okay.
We will write all these events. Will it be right doc, Google Doc? Because I didn't see any details about
Yeah, I will add the details to the Google Doc and also send out the event details in our mailing list. Currently, seems we have not much content on our mailing list, so we need to publish more things.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, I think we can move on. If anybody have any questions, feel free to ask on Slack channel or through mailing list or on GitHub. Okay, so the next is the KubeCon Europe demo preview. Rohit, do you want to share your screen? Give us the updates.
Yeah. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So for the KubeCon Europe demo, we are planning a couple of use cases. One of them is doing facial recognition at the edge. So if we compare with the traditional cloud-based model, typically the steps involved would be, if you want to recognize a person, right? First, on the cloud side, you will feed the image of the person. Okay. And then you will basically do some training and try to store this information in the cloud about the person's face. At the and the edge side, when you try to collect the live feed of the persons which are coming in, what you need to do is you need to send these images frame by frame to the all the way to the cloud, and then the cloud will basically based on the training, it will do the inference and it will send you the result back, the frame with the recognized face. It will send it back to the edge. So if you see here, there has to be communication between the edge node and the cloud. If we go with a edge-based model, right? So what would typically happen is on the cloud side, you would still need to feed the image of the person and encrypt it and do some training, and then send this trained model or send this trained file to the gateway on the edge. And once you have the live feed on the edge side from the camera, you will send it to the gateway on the edge, and then the gateway itself will do the face recognition. So this frame doesn't have to be sent back to the cloud. So this is a typical use case of edge computing where you want to do video surveillance or you want to track persons, right? So what are the advantages that we will achieve if we do it in the second way? So first point is obvious that we don't need to send all the frames to the cloud as in the previous case, and we just send, in this case, an encoded image of 9 KB once per person to the edge node. So the size of one frame is approximately 250 KB, okay, and the camera frames per second rate is 16. So in total, if you compare on the cloud side, you would typically need to send almost 4 MB per second to the edge node, okay, and the round trip time would be double, that is 8 megabytes per second. So if you want to do facial recognition on the cloud, you will approximately consume 8 Mbps of bandwidth. On the edge side, we don't need to do all this stuff. So we will be probably saving approximately 8 Mbps since we are just sending very minimal data to the edge in the first step. So we are still in the process of calculating the response times and then do a comparison. And this is the current deployment model that we are having with KubeEdge. So on the cloud side, you have the K8s master, right? And you have the edge controller. So what do you do is the first step is you feed the image of the person in the cloud. Then you deploy the training application on the cloud, and you deploy the recognition application on the cloud. So this will basically, this recognition app will be deployed to the edge node, this one, and this the training application will be sitting on the cloud. The fourth step is you feed the image of the person to the model, right? And the model does the encryption of that image, and then it will send this encrypted file to edge controller. So edge controller is an additional component of KubeEdge, which is responsible for watching on the K8s master, and then it has additional providers for transferring any metadata or data to the edge. So we will have some kind of a REST provider, which will basically take this whole encrypted image and it will transfer it to the edge core, which is our edge side agent. Right? So the edge core, once it receives this encrypted image, it will forward it based on the routing rule that we will set in the edge controller, and this information will be transferred to the recognition app which is running on the edge. The ninth step, we will collect the live image of the person who is coming into the booth, say on the edge side. And then this frame will be sent to the recognition app on the edge. Based on the training that it has received from the cloud and based on the image, it will try to recognize the face and it will label the face and it will give you the results. So this is what we are targeting for the EU demo. I will just play a short video. So this video will explain you the basically the details of how we are doing this recognition and some short demo. I'll just play the video now. Okay.
Hello. Our face recognition model is divided into two parts. One, face recognition, and other, create data. The create data just takes our images, converts it into grayscale, and feeds it to the face recognition. Now, the face recognition takes all the images with the name present and then trains the model over it. Then it reads the live images from the camera and then predicts and shows this name over the image. So our algorithm that we use for face detection is LBPH algorithm, which uses hard cascade file that was trained on black and white, means positive and negative images. So let's see, in our create data, it first recognizes the face and then creates a bounding box over it. Now the bounding box is just the face and background is removed and saves the images. Now face recognition also does the same when detects the image. So let's run it. Since my data is not present, so it should not recognize me at first. So it is showing not recognized. Now let's store our data first. So I'll run the create data, and then to store the data, when my face is fixed, I'll press space and a pop-up will come to enter the name. I will enter the name, I cannot answer. So the next person comes, he can then enter the name. Now let's wait and see if it detects me. Now I'll again run the face detection, and you can see it detects me. And it also shows the percentage of match. Now that is 50-50. The minimum it requires is, maximum it will go is 90. If it goes above 90, it is not required. Now if I put my hand, so it won't show. A little bit will show. So this was it. Thank you.
Yeah, so that was just a small demo. We are trying to improve this and then refine it to make it work end to end better. So any feedback on the demo, you can please share your views or thoughts.
Sorry, Rita. I think Cindy has sent some opinions on how to improve the demo. Currently, I have another thing I need update on this feedback.
Yes, yes. So those comments we are currently addressing, but we were not able to finish them for this demo. So so we will work on those and try to present it in our next meeting. Any other comments from other guys? Like if you have any inputs, whether the demo is okay or we need to add some more things, you can just share your thoughts. Okay, if no comments, then I think I'm done. Dujun, if you want to carry on.
Yes, I think we have done our the agenda of today's community meeting. So anyone want to talk? Is anyone want to talk or share your thoughts on how to make us a community and how to make us a community and the project better? Oh, by the way, there is a community charter ongoing. We have just initialized the charter, but the charter is not finished. The charter is yeah. I would like to share my screen. Yeah. Yeah, the charter is for how to manage the community and how to manage the project. Yeah, I will share my chart. Yeah, there is a PR ongoing. Yeah, this is our very basic and the draft of the charter. Yeah, in this charter we will define the goals and the scope of the project and the community, and our successful criteria, and what are not in our scope, and the rules and organization management of the project. For example, we define some rules. For example, rules, members, and we also have the security contact for how to manage the project, and the technical process of pushing the project forward. Yeah, if you guys want to help manage the community, and also want to help manage the project, welcome your ideas and comments. You can comment in the PR directory. The PR is 336. Yeah. Yeah, we also need some maintenance other than Huawei. Yeah, currently all the maintenance are from the Huawei. We don't think that's a good. So we need some external maintenance. After all, this is open source project, government managed by the CNCF. So we need more external contributors, external members, and external maintainers. Yeah.
So I echo what Dujun just mentioned. You know, KubeEdge currently is a CNCF sandbox project. I also got Arduino Linux Foundation Edge. They're interested to use KubeEdge as an upstream project as well. So I think this is a great playground for all of us, like from different companies, to contribute in the community. I think personally, for your career perspective, it's gonna be valuable too. So I think for today's meeting, we really like to invite all the external people join us and contribute.
I heard a news from Linux Foundation Age. OpenEdge from Baidu will join in the LFH. So what's the relationship between the KubeEdge and the OpenEdge? Who can, yeah, because Arduino is also in the Linux Foundation Age. Is this good news or bad news? I don't know, but there will be some conflicts there.
There will be no conflict, as I mentioned. So I'll send a link. So actually today I got the KubeEdge be part of the Arduino as an external or upstream project already. So Acrino, their idea is to run their project using Blueprint. So they can create different projects, and each project can leverage different edge-related architecture, including like Linux, LF Edge, or Acrino, or even Baidu's solution. So it's an open source community. It's really up to the company's choice. But as you can see, KubeEdge definitely is a reference architecture, not only in CNCF, but also in Linux Foundation. So they are all like available tools for company to use. But as we are very keen on this KubeEdge, we see a lot of benefits for people to use it. But back to your question, they are all in parallel, so no conflict.
Okay, that will be great. Yes.
Yeah.
Thanks for your explanation.
Okay, sure. So Dujin, back to you. Or Kevin. Yeah.
Yeah, just want to know if there's any other questions, or maybe we can quickly go through the v0.3 release. If there's any potential risk we need to take care, or we're going on well.
Yeah, we plan to release our 0.3 beta on 3rd May. Currently, we are very busy working on the targeted features and issues, and I have the confidence to target it and cut the release on 3rd May. Yeah, we can view the issues and the features targeted in 0.3 from the milestone. Yeah, currently we have 2 milestones, 0.3 and the next release. Yeah. In 0.3, there are also 15 open issues, and looks like they are all in our control and have no big issue. Yeah. Yes.
Okay, so any other questions, or we're done today?
Yeah, our today's meeting recording and a note will be uploaded. So you will find the link in our project readme.
Yeah, actually the meeting note is already online, so I will upload the meeting record to YouTube later on, and also publish the video link. Yeah, and just to add, feel free to reach out all the guys through whether Slack, mailing list, or GitHub.
Okay, so we are done today, and thanks again for attending, and see you guys next 2 weeks. Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you all guys. Bye.
Thanks guys. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.